Well, next on the list is going to be the WLToys V686G first person view. We're going to give that thing a flight and see how it does. Test my pilot skills too. So this will be the 686G WLToys first person view. There's your screen. You can barely see it out here today. Go to a different rate. It's at 40%, we'll give it 60%, and we'll go 80%. Now the screen I can't really see due to the light out here. So there's not much flying on first person view. It's 80% rate. We'll do a little video with this one. We'll rise it up here a little bit. Do a little turn. Panoramic view there. Yeah, bring her back down. Cut the video. Having a problem fighting the wind up that way. Ran out of range there. I'm going to flip it to 100% rate and see what it does. That's at 100% rate. Whoa. Yeah, it gets pretty crazy at 100. Go back to 80%. A little bit better with 80% than I am at 100. There is a breeze going today. At 80%, it's still cutting the air. Flyby. Do another flyby. Not get it up here and see if I can hover it. I do got some wind blowing. says it has a stunt mode, but I believe I'm about out of batteries. We'll see what it does. There we go. Got a flip out of it. And I think the batteries are about done. That's the WLToys V686G first person flyer. I do think the batteries are done. We'll give it another try. Yeah, I don't have a whole lot of lift. Try one more flip. There we go. Yep, batteries are about done. So, there you go. WLToys V686G first person flyer.
Well, everybody, that was my flight of the WLToys V686G FPV. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and please subscribe.